Hey yo guys, it's me and today I'm gonna basically record get myself red skin. So basically I'm going to get Daffy Duck, yes, to get me red skin, and I've already sent her the red skin wrong. I mean the red skin code. Isn't she too gorgeous? Yeah, she doesn't look cute. Sorry. Okay, let's just start. Okay, I don't really have an account to do it on, so I'll just make a real quick. Yeah, you guys can ask her if you would like Reskin as well. Like, to username, both of the D's have like this line in it. Yeah, I don't know if it's an accent or anything. 'Cause I don't think D has an accent. But maybe not. Why am I pressing this? Sorry. Okay, username, the most hardest bit. Ugh. Does Twitter have anything? Sorry. Yeah, let me pause. Okay, finally, I chose. I found the perfect username to use. No, it wasn't easy. It was kind of hard. But let me get ready to message her. Yeah. I hate you when the sound's on. Okay, good thing I just stop buttons. Boom. Okay, in the meantime, I just look up some art books, cause why not? I like his choker. I want that. It's cute. And his top's pretty cool. Thanks, Kristen TM. Nah, he looks more emo than gay, to be honest. He kinda looks gay, I guess, but I don't wanna say too much. Hey, some tea. No one likes you. Never ask me. Wait, so she's asking her to give her $25 just for red eyes. Oh, she's asking her for red eyes. No, what? She's gonna give her $25 for red eyes. Never ask me $25 for red eyes. Red eyes again. I know, right? But she never logs on. I remember this account. That's on their account. Oh. Why is it gonna have so much hate? You know, I don't care anyway. Ew, hold up. His lips. Ew. Make a look at tea. Don't think she'll have any rest, to be honest. Well, yeah, she's a rare account. That doesn't look like she has any proper rares. Yeah, I knew it. She only had like rare weeks and stuff. Mm. And while you're here, I'm doing a giveaway. That took a while, okay? I'm gonna do an art book about, I'm too lazy to do an art book though. But I'm gonna do an art book about it. I'm giving away some Deepak shoes, and they're right here. Here are the new Deepak shoes, and here's the old ones, the exotic. They're cute. I'm not really a fan of these, but I'm giving away these 3. What you guys have to do is like, then why are you his filthy? Yeah, I love 5 billion. So you guys have to do is comment. You guys have to comment what number 1, 2, 3. 1 are the shoes. 1 other shoes, 2 other shoes, 3 other shoes. I'm just gonna copy this guy if no one likes you. If she suddenly messages me, I'm gonna have nothing to say. Hi. Oh my god. This is already taking 9 minutes. Oh, she's logged on. I was about to say, how long is this gonna freaking... Yeah. Am I going too far? I don't want to message her because I don't want actual drama. I'm just gonna spam her guest book because she needs that. Don't watch his full thief, he's so rude. I wrote 45th. Please don't message me, please don't message me, please don't message me. I don't know why I don't want her to message me, it's just I'm gonna have nothing to say. So whilst I'm waiting, I'll just wait. I had the can opener from across the lake. Huh? The worst thing is when you're doing something for someone and then you randomly log in. I'm just like, I'm not doing it again, okay? Yeah, that's a giveaway. I just kind of cut off that. So you have to like, subscribe, and comment 1, 2, or 3, and I already showed you the order of the shoes. So yeah. What is this? What does that say? Actually, to be honest, I don't care anymore, so. Because the username is just like that weird line, wiggly line, and melancholy. But if you say so. Okay, yeah, I'm actually gonna do a giveaway now. But I need inspo, so I'm gonna get inspo from my dear friend Daffy. Ooh, I like calling her Daffy. So what did she do? Okay, she did lots of layers, and she did a custom background. Yeah, I can do that. Custom background, lots of layers. Me. Grits. Thank you! So yes, I was a first come, first serve. Love you, Perry. Thank you. Why is it so big? Nah. This has to... Yeah, thanks. Thank you so much. Oh, no. Thank you. Wait, what? Oh, I forgot I wasn't using anything else. I was just using Chrome. Thank you. She messaged me. Hey. Oh, she's done. Oh, yeah, thank you so much. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the video here since she's done the reskin, which took quite a long time. I don't know. Oh, okay. I don't know why we're doing this. Anyway, yeah, bye. I'm gonna end the video here. Please stay tuned for the no. Whatever. Stay tuned, I guess, for the giveaway. I'm gonna make an artbook about it, and then I already announced it. So yeah, bye.